Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Varun. In our previous video, we understood how a RAG actually works and how to actually build it. But I left the RAG in the end-to-end server itself. I did not connect it with any other service. So today, I'm going to show you how to connect your RAG system and convert it into a virtual assistant which would be present on your website, be it a brand website or a personal website. Having a virtual assistant on your site increases the user interaction and makes it lot more user friendly. We need to build a website as well, right? So I will be using Google AI Studio to build a website. It's pretty simple. You just need to go and type in your idea, or rather the prompt, to develop the site. I have written a pretty long one, so I'm just going to copy and paste it here. Site, as you saw, I just gave a prompt and the designing already began. As you can see, the website is built now. This is a pretty solid website. So now let us add a virtual assistant to it. This is the prompt which I'm providing to Google AI Studio to create a virtual assistant. Now this virtual assistant will not be connected to the RAG. Once it is all done and ready, we are going to connect it with our RAG system using a webhook. A webhook is basically a type of call or a request which is being sent or which is being received. A post request, well, let us consider it in simple terms. A webhook is a waiter. He takes information from you, goes to the chef, collects information there or collects the food there and brings it to you. Similarly, in a webhook, if it is a GET request, the information is requested from a particular service. If I make a weather agent which will update me every single day on a specified time, a webhook request will be sent to a weather source saying that, "Sir, I need information regarding the weather in this place at this time." That information will be pulled in from the weather source using the webhook and passed through the flow so that I receive the weather information on a scheduled movement. That is a GET request. A POST request, on the other hand, well, it is a request to the AI agent. I, as a user, am sending some information or asking the AI a question. Now, the AI takes in that question, pulls in its database, searches for the information which is relatable with the question, and gives me a response to that question. That is a POST request. Now, to connect this RAG system with your website, you need to add this webhook trigger. Adding this webhook trigger is extremely simple. Click on tab, select the webhook, select the trigger, and you get the webhook as it is. We don't need one here as we already have it. Select the webhook, turn the post HTTP method into post. Why post? Because we would be sending some kind of information to our webhook, right? Copy this URL, the post URL, go back to TechMart and say that this is a webhook which should be integrated with the virtual assistant. The input will be sent to the webhook and the output received from the webhook would be provided by the virtual assistant. Let's do it. While this is being updated, let me show you something. This is the virtual assistant which is created by AI Studio. One click and you see, "Hey there, I'm Ansh. How can I help you today?" Now that there's been an update, probably I should receive a message now. But before that, let's listen for a test event. Okay, listening for a test event, typing. I've processed your request, but I'm waiting for the response. Okay, so since we have got the virtual assistant ready, let's change the URL into a production ready URL, not a test one anymore, a production one. So copy the post request or the post URL, go back here in the web, and once that's done, we need to publish the RAG system once again, and our virtual assistant should be, in theory, should be connected with a RAG. This has been updated, so let's go and publish our RAG system, save and publish. "Hey there, I'm Ansh. How can I help?" "Hey Ansh." Ansh is typing. "Hello, how can I help you today? Can you tell me what laptops do you sell?" Will we get an accurate response? Yes, we do. Gamer Edge X1, Budgetbook Air, Ultrabook Pro 15. Let's try something different. "Tell me the refund policy." And we get a response here. Ansh is typing. Yeah, the response was provided. And yes, this is the response which is present in our documents. So this is how you connect your RAG agent with a website. Providing a website with a virtual assistant increases the user interaction and makes it much more user friendly. So key technical point of the day is the webhook. It is extremely important that the webhook request is proper, because if the webhook request has some kind of issue, the request sent by me, that is the request such as, "Can you tell me what laptop do you sell?" that request would not be received by this webhook, and this flow will not be activated, due to which you will receive response as if there has been some technical error, please contact support, or something like that. In this video, we understood how to connect a RAG chatbot with a virtual assistant on your own website, and how you can actually build a AI website on a Google AI Studio. That's it for this. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to the channel to get more videos on automation and AI. Peace out.